In many ways, we have a very different market this year in 2024 than we had in 2023. And one way of looking at that is just being aware that consumer staple stocks are absolutely kicking ass versus the consumer discretionary stocks. If you look at the chart here on your screen, you can see the XLP ETF as of the time when I took this screenshot was up about not quite 9% for the year, outperforming the consumer discretionary stocks by just about 9% on the year. That's a huge outperformance. And if you think about consumer staple stocks, these are what some people would consider to be boring stocks, Procter & Gamble and so on and so forth. But they can get your portfolio done, right? If we look at this properly, like in a year like today, this year right now, we actually think going forward as well. So within this, we're actually seeing a lot of stocks that are doing really well, and ones that are quite closely correlated to that kind of sector as well. Give you an idea of what some of this stuff looks like. Even financial stocks, for example, you can see our market rover has been giving us all sorts of buy signals in the financial sector of late. Morgan Stanley became a bullish trend on March 24th, and then we got a swing trading buy signal that quickly made us about 7% or so on the trade alert. You look at something like Citigroup, which became a bullish trend actually quite a bit before Morgan Stanley, back in February of this year. Then had a couple of nice buy signals, both of them reaching target number 1 and 2. I believe Citigroup is now up about 13% or so and it's becoming a bullish trend. And so we're seeing this really important market shift in our view, where the sector allocation and the industry group allocation of institutional investors is changing. So lots of institutions that are a bit more in the know-how are shifting their portfolios a little bit out of technology stocks and into other things, including consumer staple stocks, to some extent financials, as you can see here. And our market rover software does exactly that. It tracks when money flows into a different sector, and we can then pick up a lot of tailwind, if you will, in our trading and investing, and stop fighting the major trends, because trends change, and being aware of where these new trends are and then how long they continue is important. So we're going to talk about that this week. It's our topic. We're going to look at sectors, industry groups. We're going to use our market rover software and show to you how it does that, how it finds when new trends are starting, then give us trades within those trends, very much like you can see here on Citigroup, but also when they stop, right? When is a trend over? That's important to know. The market rover does that for us. I'll show you exactly how that works this week. Would love to have you there. It's our research call for this week. We'll see you there.